Hi friends, welcome to our coaching.com. My name is Venkatesh Kolipakka. I'm a registered tutor with our coaching.com. In today's session, we learn about introduction to HTML and the different types of tags. In this session, we are going to discuss about different types of attributes and the uses of those attributes. Let's see different types of attributes which are present in the HTML language. Here in the slide you can see the different types of attributes present in the HTML. ID, class, style, title, line, width, height, BG color, background color, etc. etc. These are some of the regularly used attributes in the HTML. So we will see with examples how to use these attributes in HTML while writing the HTML file. So I already took one file, HTML file. So here we are having the HTML tag which is open here, and in the HTML tag we are having header tag and we are having title in the header tag, and in the body tag we are having one h1 tag. Here we are declaring some heading here, and under that we are having some paragraph tag p tag, and here we are declaring style. So just as it now not considering these things. So here I just took one paragraph and I given style attribute here in the p tag, and syntax is style equal to, in double quotes we have to mention the color colon red I given. So I want to make sure this paragraph should be in red color font. So I mentioned in the paragraph tag p tag, that is style, the color should be in red, color colon red. So this is a syntax. Suppose if I want to give the color as green, then we have to mention here green instead of red. Green. So just save the file and open the file in Internet Explorer or Firefox, whatever you want. So I want to open with the Firefox now. Yeah. What open? This here is the mistake we have done. Yeah. HTML hypertext markup language, and invented by Tom Berners-Lee in 1990, which is in green color. So the color is changed to green. Let us give some other color, like we'll check whether it is working properly or not. I'm giving simply red. I'm just saving the file and going back to browser. I'm just reloading the page. Here we can see the changed output, which is in red color. The paragraph changed to red color. So likewise we can give the different colors in the paragraph with using style attribute. And let's see some more attributes. Let me take one image attribute here. So image tag. The image tag, the attribute src attribute we are using here. Src equal to our coaching so I'm simply saving this file. I'm trying to execute this file. Means before trying to execute this, so we saved this file in the location here in D drive ourcoaching.com folder, and under that in HTML folder we save this file which is HTML test. In the same folder, in the same location, I already saved one image which is in PNG format. So here we need to give that our coaching dot PNG. Let's save this one, and I'm going to browser. I'm just reloading the page. So see, by just clicking on the reload, it's giving the image which is the logo of ourcoaching.com site. So here the image size is default. Suppose I want to increase the size of the image, then in the image tag we need to give the attribute like width equal to, suppose I want to give some 300. I'm simply saving the file and return back to browser. I'm simply reloading the page. This we can observe that the width of the image is increased to 300. Likewise, I want to change the height of the image, HEIGHT equal to, I'm giving some 400. We'll see what happens. Just save the file and go back to browser and just simply read it. You can see the change. The height of the image is increased to 400. So we have to put 300 hopefully. I change to 300 again. Simply reloading the page. Yeah, you can see the change, right? So this is how to use the image tag with attributes src and width and height. So let us discuss one more tag, that is anchor tag. In the anchor tag we have one attribute we can use in that anchor tag, that is href, hyperlink reference, which is equal to giving the ourcoaching.com site https / ourcoaching.com. So I'm simply saving the file, going back to browser, I'm just clicking, I'm just reloading the page. See what happens? It's not rejecting. See what the mistake we have here. Step equal to https / ourcoaching.com. Correct only, right? So, you see whether it is correct or not. So we will if we do anything wrong, let's check. Let's check whether it is the site present or not. Correct only. So we give something wrong here. We are going to give some text, right? Click here. Yeah, going back to browser and click yes. So here in the tag anchor tag we are given href, which is the attribute. So the syntax of the href attribute is href equal to, in the double quotes we need to give the page or where we need to navigate, where we need to go to. So like if you want to go to different page, if you want to go open another site, if you want to go to some other location in the same document, you need to mention the link here along with the name of the link. Means we can mention whatever we want, like by clicking this link where we are going to navigate. Suppose I'm just given here, click here. Suppose I can give like click to go to ourcoaching.com. Yeah, we can give like this also. So here we can see that the text, this text, click to here, click to go to ourcoaching.com. This text having the link. So by clicking this text, we are navigated to ourcoaching.com. I'm simply saving the file and going back to browser. I'm just reloading the page. We can see that the text is changed to click to go to ourcoaching.com. I'm simply clicking on this link. We can observe that by hovering on this text, we can see here in the left bottom of the browser, we can see that the link is showing like https www.ourcoaching.com. So it's saying that the browser telling the user, saying that the link which is you are going to navigate to. So by clicking on this, so we just navigated to ourcoaching.com. This is the ourcoaching.com page. So by clicking the back, we are in the same page. So this is how to use the anchor tag and href attribute. So like this, there are many other attributes and tags. One more tag we must have to know, that one is ID tag, ID attribute. So the ID attribute is very important because it is to identify the element. Means the element is nothing but, here we can see like h1 is the tag, right? From h1 open tag to h1 the closing, from h1 open to closing, this whole thing is said to be one element. So likewise for this element we are going to give some name, that is called ID. If I have in the file, if I have two different elements with the same name, with the same type, then it is difficult to identify which type tag is that. So suppose I'm having the h1 tag here, right? So simply take one more tag, the same name, the same tag, h1 tag here and h1 tag here. But if you want to do some modifications to one of the tag, it's difficult to identify to change which tag. So just here we can mention like id equal to, we can give any name like main head. Here we can mention id equal to subhead. So by giving the id to the element, we can identify that element easily and we can do modifications on that, whatever we want to do. So we do some more work on the attributes. So this is the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag I simply written like invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. So I want to highlight this one, like I want to highlight this Tim Berners-Lee. So I want to show as big. Suppose let us take big, big here to here, big. So simply I put the text in the big tag which is in the paragraph p tag. So we can also insert one other tag in some other tags. I simply saved this file. I went back to browser and I just clicking on reload. Here we can observe that invented by Tim Berners-Lee. So we can observe that it is in big letters. The font of the name is increased compared to others. So like this we can do any modification to any element. So these are some important regularly used attributes. In upcoming sessions we can discuss more and more about HTML language. Thanks for watching.